You have to get anything else?
No, that's it.
What are you looking for?
High energy.
Look at this.
It's okay. I'm gonna cut off an inch. That's like 10 inches actually.
This is the studs you want to get. The nose ring.
Don't worry about the water. We'll worry about you.
Hello. See those guys?
All same?
Yes.
Except for one.
Except for the one.
12 and 1. Thank you. 21 wants to scan.
Hi, Star.
The Troy Awards. Okay, so the free membership, you points every time you shop, and those points you turn into gift cards, you turn into photos.
Oh,
I never realized you knew that. You signed up today?
What?
The Pro Rewards is totally free. It's like,
Yeah.
you know how you get the free turkey at ShopRite just for shopping?
Yeah.
Well, you get free gift cards here just for shopping.
Oh, okay.
All right, let me get you signed up right now.
You
Oh.
do. You shop all the time, so.
Yeah, I thought you did that.
Yep.
Wait for some print.
And then every time I gotta what?
You download the Home Depot app on your phone, and that's where you're going to see the rewards go, and that's where the gift cards are going to come. But every time you come in, you just put your phone number in. What
Okay.
phone do you want me to register you under?
347.
And it doesn't have to be just you. It can be both of you, whoever.
He deserves it. He deserves a gift card.
Waiting on the computer to come up. Here we go.
We are Home Depot. We bought some materials. We're gonna go work. We are at Home Depot.
478-258-0562. Is that your email?
That is me.
All right, bro.
John.
Your last name?
WOLKWITZ.
WOLKWITZ.
PZ.
I get it right? Sorry.
That's me.
Company name?
JDW Construction.
LLC.